Mr. Richard has really kept to his word, no lies. My name is Kayode Stephen. I'm a graphic designer. So before coming here for this training, I was expecting a lot, and sincerely I'm not disappointed, because this training has really showed me how to make money online. There are so many things I've learned in the course of this training, and they are all mind-blowing. It's not only that I've been able to use this training to make myself present online. V.S.L concept have actually helped me to do every bit of it, and the results are already there. I'm really happy. I'm really grateful to V.S.L concept for giving me this opportunity to be part of this wonderful training, and I'm seeing myself as a millionaire. Mr. Richard has really kept to his word, no lies. He has really kept to his word, and I'm very sure if you enroll in this class, you will never be disappointed. I've gotten value for my money times 10, even more than, because this is a life-changing training. It's not something I'll just earn from and everything ends tomorrow. No, it's something I can still pass to my children, and my children will still pass to each other, because this is the future. I recommend this program for you. It's really going to change your life.